Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I will show you how to use Google Veo 3. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and Google for Veo 3, and here you will get this option. Simply click on Start Creating Now, and after that, here you can find this interface. Now, you need to know that you should be logged in into your account, and you need to know that you have some credits, and the generation will cost you some of your credits. And now, because I have already choose this email and I have used my credits, so I cannot actually make a video on this account. So I will change the account, then come to you back. Okay, now I have changed the account, and now you have two options: image to video or text to video. You can add an image of someone right here and type the prompt, choose the video duration, video quality, add a sound effect, then click on generate. But here in my case, I'll simply use just the text. So I will type here this prompt. I need a video of someone playing tennis on a beach, wearing gloves, for example. I will make the video duration 8 seconds. I'll choose the video quality, aspect ratio, and finally here I'll add some sound effects. So I need a sound of seagulls and someone calling Jack and a background sound of sea waves. All right, after you type all the prompts for creating the video and for generating the sound effect, you'll just have to click on generate video, but keep in mind that, as I said, it will cost you credits, and the more video quality you choose, the more duration you choose, it will cost you more and more credits. So keep that in mind. So simply I'll click on generate video, then I'll wait for some time till the video is ready. Now, after a couple of minutes, it generated this video. Maybe it is not the best result, but it's still evolving, and maybe in the paid subscription you get more satisfactory results. So you need to keep that in mind, and this is only a small tutorial, this is only a free trial, so it may not be the best for now. And that's all for today's video. Please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.